All right, it's 6:44 and happy St. Patty's Day and Friday's Eve to you for all who celebrate. We're going to be getting to those upper 70s in the Brazos Valley, lower 80s in central Texas. We could actually be seeing a few isolated showers in some of our eastern zones by the luck of the Irish. But other than that, we do expect to be mostly dry, but also quite windy. In fact, there is that red flag warning. We will talk a little bit more about that in just a second. But after that front passes through, those winds aren't going to let up. They're only going to shift to a northwesterly flow. That's going to cool our temperatures down to those upper 60s before going right back up to those low to mid 70s throughout the course of the weekend. So a great weekend to go outside, maybe pop some tags even if you're planning on being a big shopper like some people are. But anyways, by the time we get to Monday, that's when things change, especially Monday evening into Tuesday. Could be seeing a few of those scattered thunderstorms, which could be strong to severe. And the reason for that is we have an upper level disturbance. As we take a look at our upper air setup, there's that ridge bringing in those warmer temperatures with those lower 70s for the weekend. And there's that upper level disturbance that could be bringing in that cold front associated with it. That could result in a few of those stronger thunderstorms, which could contain some gusty winds and hail as well. Right now, no thunderstorm activity or rain to speak of. And there you see that southerly flow. It's at a light clip right now as we take a look at our downtown tower cam at around 6 miles an hour. Now we're starting to see the clouds start to filter on in. Now, there is the possibility of some morning fog as well because we have a lot of that advection, a lot of that moist air coming in from the south, but then that air dries up behind that dry line, and as a result, we could be seeing some stronger winds and warm temperatures and critical fire conditions for our far western zones. But as you head off to our eastern zones, this is at around 5 o'clock, that's when I have the best chances of some of the precipitations in the Brazos Valley, as well as some of our eastern zones here in central Texas as well. And then, as we have that front pass throughout the course of the overnight hours, that's when those temperatures drop to those upper 40s and lower 50s with that strong northwesterly flow, so the winds won't let up. They're just going to be coming out of a different direction. There is that red flag warning from noon through 7 p.m. It's for those counties in the pink, mainly along and west of US 281, because we have those warm temperatures and those gusty winds and that really low humidity all combining for those critical fire weather conditions. So you do not want to outdoor burn anywhere in central Texas, especially not in those pink counties. We're going to get to those lower 80s for your St. Patty's Day. It's going to be a great day to go out and party. Just hang on to that leprechaun hat, or maybe ladies may have those leprechaun like mini ears, those kind of things, instead of the leprechaun hat, because that could blow away in those winds that could be out of the south, sustained 15 to 25 miles an hour, which could gust up to 45 miles an hour at times. Upper 40s officially is what I'm calling, with the wind shifting to the south, from the south to the northwest behind that Arctic front. As a result of all that, I'm going to give that a good solid 7 on the Jordan meter.